Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. This is challenge entry number 6, and this one comes from Olga Moyorido. Olga and I have been crafting buddies and swappers for quite a few years now. She is so sweet. I've known her for quite a few years now. And yeah, I just took everything out because I noticed that she put more than an embellishment box in here. So Olga, thank you so much. I'm going to show you guys what Olga has included in her entry. First of all, let's look at the card. She did send a card. She made a birthday card, and this one says Halloween tricks and treats. Thank you, Olga. Very, very sweet of you to send me a card. You know, guys, I am going to put all my cards together and cherish them. They are all so adorable. So thank you so much, Olga. I appreciate you and the support you have shown me these last years that we've known each other. So guys, look at this. Look at this water bottle. So it says Queen of the Patch. That is so pretty, and it's pink. Oh my goodness, Olga, I'm sure that you made this. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I actually don't have a water bottle, so guess what I'm gonna be using. I love it. Thank you so much, Olga. It is so pretty. And she sent another one, and this one has a fall unicorn on there. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. And I don't know if it changes color or not, but oh, that is so, oh, I thought I felt something at the bottom. There is the straw to go with the cup, and that is so pretty. I like that. Thank you so much, Olga. This is very pretty. Thank you so, so much. I love it. You are so sweet. So I have water and a drink cup. And this is her embellishment box. And obviously she went with Halloween. So look at that. And here's a sticker with the skulls and the crossbones. Googly eyes, and oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at this big bow. It's made out of felt. She put a tiny, well, not tiny, she put a rosette in the center, and then this black cat. That's so cute, on a spider web, and some cheesecloth. That's so pretty. I like your rosette. That's so pretty. Okay guys, so I'm going to open this up, and I am going to remove the shred so we can see what's in here. So I removed the shred so we can see what's in her box, and it is chock full of goodies. Look at that. So she has sent me some sticky back sequins in the pink and fuchsia color. Very pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then she has included a spray of some pink balls. These are very pretty. I really like those. Thank you, Olga. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna go to this one next. She sent some chocolate candies, some Ghirardelli squares, milk chocolate caramel. Those look so yummy. Thank you, Olga. Okay, so we're gonna start. We've already started right here because that was the sweet part. But let me look at this. These are brads. How cool is this? They're little houses. Those are, what are these? Outlet. Huh. I've never seen this. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. I can definitely use some of these for Halloween. So pretty. Thank you, Olga. I have none. I had never even seen these. Those are so pretty. Thank you so much, Olga. And then she included some sequins. This is purple and this is a fuchsia. Very pretty. I don't think I have these colors. Thank you, ma'am. I love that. So that was in that first cubby. And then in the second one, she has included some cotton floss. Very pretty. I love that color. And then she has included some little bling pieces, some flat back bling pieces. Love those colors. Thank you, ma'am. So that's in this one. And look at this one, guys. She's included some bling. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. That's so different. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Olga. I don't have any of this either. And guys, look at this. These cute little ghosts. Oh my gosh, they're purple. Oh, I love these. And again, she may have cut them out with her machine. I don't know. They are so adorable. I love the purple. Thank you. Oh, I love those. Thank you, Olga. And then she has included a pinkish, like a pink vine, leaf vine. Pretty. And then of course we saw the candy. And then on this side, she has included some skulls. And this one's a witch, some bats, and a cat, and a wolf. Very pretty. I like those. Thank you. I just love these colors. Love that. And then here is a large ghost. Oh, he's so pretty in this purple color. Beautiful. And then she has included some other die cuts. Let's see what they say. This one says fall, autumn, October. Another one for October. Autumn, calabaza. The calabaza is squash. That's so cute. And then another one that says fall. Again, it looks like they were cut out on a machine. Very, very nice. Thank you, ma'am. And then over here, she has included some flower petals, so I can make assemble flowers myself. Those are pretty. Love the pinks. There's one in a cream color that I can incorporate in there. Very pretty. Oh my gosh, Olga, thank you so much. I appreciate all of this. It is all so pretty. I love it, guys. So this was entry number 6 from Olga. Thank you so much, Olga. I appreciate your friendship throughout the years, and everything is beautiful. Thank you so much for your love and support, and I will talk to everyone later. See you in the next video, guys.